Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Mage Arena crashing. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to disable all the peripherals. If you're using controllers, steering wheels or something like that, disable all the peripherals and look if the problem persists, because it can cause this problem. Then the next step what you need to do here is to disable all the apps that use this overlay. A lot of apps use this overlay like Discord. You can go in the game itself and disable in-game overlay. NVIDIA app, I believe, uses overlay. Yeah. Then Discord also uses overlay. So just disable all the apps or just overlays that uses simply overlay, right? Also, if you're using third-party controller apps like DS4 Windows, Revast, or Blade, Faceit, or Valorant, there is Vanguard or Faceit anti-cheat. Try to disable these anti-cheats as well, because also it can be the problem. Also make sure your basic operating system is fully up to date, your GPU drivers as well. In my case, I can go to NVIDIA and then install latest drivers, or you can go to device manager here and install here your drivers as well. Another thing that you can do here is to go to Mage Arena here, go to properties, install files and verify integrity of the game files. After that, go to browse, then look for Mage Arena exe file, right click on it, properties, compatibility, run as admin. Also, we can make sure to run this in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations. Then what you need to do here is to copy the path. Then you need to just write on search graphic settings. Then here you need to add a desktop app, paste the path here, add exe file. Then you need to scroll down until you see Mage Arena. Once you find it, press on it, then you need to select GPU preference, select high performance here. Make sure optimizations for Windows games is selected, and also look on up to advanced graphic settings and look if the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. Then what you need to do here is to write edit power plan, then select power options, and then select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance is not selected, select not available for you, select high performance. Then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, then select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select change settings, allow another app, browse, then copy the path again, add the exe file, add. If you're getting this message, don't worry, you did everything all right. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to here, then scroll down until you see exclusions, press yes, add an exclusion here, select folder, paste the path again, go to common, and then look for Magic Arena and select folder here. And then you can close this as well. And the last thing what I suggest to do here is to go to Mage Arena, go to properties, installed files, and then go to general, and then put this line minus high, minus dx12, minus width 1280, minus height 720. So this means basically the game will not open in the full screen mode, and it can be the problem full screen mode. And look basically without full screen mode if the game is opening or not, and also select minus, use all available cores. Restart computer, try these options and look if the problem persists or not, and let me know in the comment section as well. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.